gosh, I look like a wreck today. I just got out of the shower. My hair's wet. Got my acne medicine on, proactive lotion, whatever it's called, to try and get rid of this acne. I always have it on the side, but whenever I put the lotion on it, it makes my skin red. It irritates it or something. But my mom just left to take my granny to her appointment, and I'm going to take the kids on a little walk because Joey hasn't gone potty today. Who's ready? Alright, we'll do Joey first. Or Joseph. Sissy, we're gonna do Joseph first. And then I'll put your harness on. Hey, sister. Hold on, Sissy. She doesn't know the routine. Sit down. Sit. Alright. Good girl, Sissy. Good girl. Ooh. We're gonna go on our walk. I'll see you guys. Oh, wait. Whoop. Come here. Hold on. Whoops. Okay. I'll see you guys after my walk. I can't take the camera because I gotta walk both of them and they get tangled up way too easily. So I'll see you in a while. We just got. Oh my gosh! I look like a freak. We just got back from our walk, and I'll show you what the kitchen looks like so far. You walk in, kitchen table, TV, fireplace, that, and then this is the coffee bar, but it's a wet bar, but she wants it a coffee bar. That mirror's not stained. I think she just wants it there until we get the backsplash, and then garbage and recyclables, the oven. We're trying to find bar stools for here still. Got the stovetop in. All that. Toaster. And the dishwasher is coming today at like 5 or so. And then all that. And then that leads to the living room. And that leads to my dad's office. So that's what it looks like. Here. This is what it looks like from the office. Are you wore out from the walk? Yeah. Aww. Sister, you excited, Sissy? You're gonna fall off the couch. Oh. You must be cutting down branches or something. We had a storm this morning. Maybe branches knocked down. Must have. I'm so sorry. These aren't fun vlogs, but we are going to a wedding on Saturday. It's Josh's sister's wedding. It's at 3 o'clock. I don't think we're gonna be going to the reception though. I gotta go to Goodwill today or tomorrow because Josh has been putting this off to get a white long sleeve button down shirt, and dress shoes. And the wedding's Saturday, and today is Thursday. So I gotta go to Goodwill because we're broke, and we can't be spending that kind of money on a dress shirt and dress pants and dress shoes and whatever else. So we're gonna go to Goodwill and see if we can find something. I think me and my mom are gonna go because Josh works. So we're gonna go there to hopefully, fingers crossed, that we'll find something for him. I don't know what else we got going on. My hair's so curly though. Curly. Curly. Look what Sissy's doing. Sissy. What are you doing? You hiding? Are you hiding? You're so cute. We're just waiting on Knie Appliances to get here to deliver and hook up the dishwasher for my parents. So I'm sitting outside and my mom's still at home from my grandma's, I think it's an eye another eye appointment, I believe. On the 28th is my 1 year of being ovarian cancer free. Exciting. Cool. Oh, I think my mommy's home. Yep, my mom's home. But yes, it's my 1 year of being done with chemo treatments and everything. So I'm excited. It'll be my 1 year. The new dishwasher here is here. That's the old one. The new one came in that. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's from someone else's house, but he unloaded it and he's inside working on it now. So let's see.
In the state, go there.
Getting the new dishwasher in.
This is where the hired help lives. Oh my gosh.
Their fleet of boats or whatever?
No, actually I don't even know if they have one.
Really?
Go through the other door so you can see what he's doing, so you can get a better look. Hopefully he won't mind. I feel awkward.
All over the world. She's leaving in January and she's going to be gone
Dishwasher.
1 month per country.
And now how does Dave feel about that right now with the way the world situation?
I mean, they watch that closely.
See what the kids are doing. Oh, I hear my baby crying. Are you crying, guys? Are you guys crying? Poor baby. A poor baby. My mom's just digging through the boxes to see what she can keep. What are you finding, Ma?
Goodies.
More stuff? You keeping that too? That'd be good for a picture frame.
Yep.
Guys, still inside putting the dishwasher, well, hooking the dishwasher up, and my mom's just digging through all the cardboard boxes to see what she wants to keep. I think we're gonna keep one of the boxes for a video. We're gonna keep a box for a video that we're gonna do.
Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Sean ruined it. There she is.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Did I get ya? Did I prank you? I pranked you. Of course, Joy would find a way to find me. Hi, sister.
Oh
He just got done putting the dishwasher in, so we're gonna go look at it. I can show you guys. What? Oh my god. What are you having a fit about?
Can I clean this mess up before you do that? Or you want them to see the whole big mess? Well,
It's not that big of a mess. It was just plastic stuff up there. Geez. There's the brand new dishwasher. Open it. Bottom rack. Top rack. These fold up. Yes. These can fold up. They're for chopsticks or wine glasses. And then these are for bottles. These are for bottles. Water squirts out of this. You drive me insane, Mother.
I don't want to get my back behind in there.
I was recording the floor. What have gotten you at all? My baby's so cute. I'm sitting here editing my videos. And, ooh, totally zoomed. What the? I want to get that close up of this ugly face. But I'm sitting here editing my video. And I heard something in the bedroom. And this is what it was. Hopefully he'll stay there. He's all curled up in the bed, ready to go to night-night. My poor baby's so tired. Mama will finish soon. Okay, Mama's almost done. I love you. Sleep tight, honey. I love you. So, good night. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.